Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review this MAC Pro Long Concealer. This is in the shade of NW35. Yes, this is NW35, and the packaging looks like this, but the thing which I don't like about this is the pump here. I have used it a lot, but I don't like this pump, because instead of this, if they have given some kind of applicator or some kind of brush, I would be more satisfied. I mean, for beginners, that applicator will do wonders. The amount of product which come out with one pump is quite heavy. I mean, you can see here, I'm just gonna pump this, and you can see here this much amount is really what can I say, this one is really a huge amount. It just looked like a drop, but this is really intense, really highly pigmented, thick product. You can use this much amount on your whole face, but concealers are not meant for applying all over your face. That's what I don't like about this product. So I'm just gonna put this product here. This particular shade is for medium to darker Indian skin tones. Not exactly for medium skin tones, it will be good for a darker side of the Indian skin tones. But if you don't know your perfect shade, I don't prefer it buying online. I would suggest you to go to the store and check out your perfect color and then buy any of the MAC products, because they provide a large variety of shades. So with different kind of skin tones, even skin tones and skin type, all these things matters a lot. If you are buying any product from brand like MAC, Krylon, they have a really vast or big variety of shades, so going to the store is a good choice. So here you can see it just blended out really nice, and this is what the shade. And the one tip which I want to share is that if you are applying, or if you are using this Pro Long concealer, you have to work really quick. I mean, you have to blend your concealer or pat your concealer and mix it over all in the area where you are applying. You have to just do it really quick, because it start drying and giving you a matte finish. So I would say this is perfect for oily skin as well, because it gives a matte finish after applying. So every skin type can apply this. Oily to dry, it will not give that dry sensation, but it will not again give that oily sensation as well. So for normal skin, this will do a miracle, and for oily and dry skins, again, this one is really good. This will definitely work. So if you know your shade, and if you want to buy this online, I have attached link in the description box. You can just check out that link. So if you find it helpful, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more interesting videos. If you have any comments, queries and feedbacks, write it down in the comment box. Your comments are really valuable for us. As I always say, if you have not subscribed yet, just click on that beauty thing icon above to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.